Bitcoin Cash is expected to climb 8.5% by March 3, according to crypto predictions. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. As we record this, Bitcoin Cash is showing a 2.2% decrease and is trading near $448.30. Let's head into the forecast segment. Crypto Predictions gives a forecast of $486.24 by March 3, which would be 8.5% above today. CoinLore projects Bitcoin Cash to move upward toward $457.42, a projected gain close to 2%. According to CoinCodex, it might push toward $449.88, a potential increase close to 0.4%. A different projection by 30 Rates notes Bitcoin Cash could dip to $429, about 4.3% below current value. Finally, Traders Union suggests a decline to $403.80 by tomorrow. That's 9.9% down. This forecast stands out for its return potential. The 5 forecasts are in. Let's go beyond that. The forecasts are laid out. Now let's examine the key figures. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a drop of 9.9% and a rise of 8.5%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Traders Union predicts the highest return with 9.9% surge in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could earn between $4 and $99 for every $1,000 you invest. Taking volatility trends into account, CoinCodex's forecast ranks first, with a 93.6% chance of success. Looking at every forecast, I've summarized them into one consensus scenario. The average outlook positions Bitcoin Cash at about $445.27. Let's crack this open. The consensus forecast points to a 0.7% decline in price under current market expectations. Under those conditions, your capital may also show an increase of roughly 0.7%. A 1,000 base investment could reflect about $7 in profit. The consensus forecast carries a probability of roughly 92.7% of playing out. Up next, let's see how analysts view the short-term 3-day forecast. Crypto Predictions anticipates further bullish movement in the market. Also, CoinLore indicates that Bitcoin Cash could keep climbing. For the next few days, also CoinCodex expects Bitcoin Cash to strengthen. 30 Rates believes the chart points to a decline. Meanwhile, Traders Union emphasizes a downward trajectory. Taking all views together, the consensus suggests Bitcoin Cash is set to remain stable during the next 3 days. In summary, the majority of forecasts point to an upward path for Bitcoin Cash. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. Yesterday provided the results to evaluate. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $441.40. The closing price showed that just a handful of forecasts were accurate. Measured by accuracy, 30 Rates ended up the best. Let's look at the results more closely. Yesterday's price action included 2 forecasts within the limits. Regarding ROI, a few analysts delivered profits, and 30 Rates ranked first among them. Now showing the performance check. How each analyst's forecast matched reality. Recorded values for coin price forecast: 91.3% forecast probability, accuracy, and 0.8% ROI. Look across the results. Who do you think performed the best overall? Now we're moving to the comparison of tomorrow's potential returns for Bitcoin Cash and other coins. AVE takes the first place with 3.6% and Bitcoin Cash stays behind. This comparison features Bitcoin Cash with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis, including full analyst performance data, will soon be available on my site and Telegram. If this kind of multi-analyst summary helps you understand trends better, leave a like and subscribe. See you soon!